Today I'd like to teach you how to left hand mute, and that sounds a little bit like this. You can use it on songs like Toxic by Britney Spears. Baby, can't you see I'm falling? I'm kinda cute, should wear a warning. So let me teach you how to do it. First, go to an A minor and let that ring. And then bring your ring and pinky down to stop the strings after you let it ring. So now I'd like you to mute the chord and do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and all muted. And now we're gonna only let beat one ring. 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now we're gonna let the and after 2 ring. So it's gonna be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up. And now you're gonna speed that up. And that's all I'm doing with that song.